Hey guys, welcome back to the Pro channel. In this video, we are going to be doing a kissing emoji face. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first step, we're just going to do all the outside of the light orange on our emoji face. So let's go ahead and do that. And so now that we finished that, we are going to be doing the heart. So let's go ahead and do that. And now that we finished doing that, we are going to be doing the eyes and kind of the little bubbles here. So let's go ahead and do that. And now for the final step, just filling in our emoji with yellow. So let's go ahead and do that. And so with that, we finish our kissing emoji face. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in the next one.